Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Chelly. If not, welcome back, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button here at Flash Custom Designs. If you don't know, we have a retail store here in Cypress, Texas, 11736. If you want to stop by, we have tons of blank apparel, and tons of vinyl for your crafting needs. Today is going to be a quick video. I know we kind of been pushing our DTF and been getting all of our DTF's apparel out there, but today we're just doing quick, simple HTV. There are going to be some projects where you just need HTV, one color projects. We don't need multiple colors. We don't need full color. We don't need the glitz and glams. We just need yellow words. That's it. So today we're going to go ahead and do that and show you we are still rocking with our old faithful HTV. So let's go ahead and go. All right, we're back in the lab. So today we have, today we have simple HTV, yellow and white. I went ahead and cut this. Oh, look, your cousin's calling me. Yes. Okay. Sorry about that. So today I'm making his merch. We have a sweatshirt and we have a t-shirt. Easy breezy. So I want to go ahead and come over to my Cricut machine. I did want to show you guys, I noticed that my blades were cutting a little dull and not that sharpness that I wanted to get. So I went ahead and purchased these Cricut replacement blades from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and link those in my description. So if you want to replace your blades, I've had this machine about 1.5 years and it's been working perfectly fine. I just recently noticed that my cuts have been a little dull, especially with my 651 vinyl, my permanent vinyl. On the small letters, it was kind of ripping up. So I was like, maybe I need a new blade. So I went ahead and bought all of these blades for about $6.99. So I'm pretty much set for life. The red ones is the original replacements. The blue ones and the yellow ones are for more flat cuts and then more sharp cuts. The thing that I just found about this is I was like, oh my God, these are so dull. Look at that. I was like, there's no way that's gonna cut. I got ripped off. But don't forget, you open it and that's the blade. So these blades are so sharp. What's so funny?
That's what you thought?
No, because look, I was like, how is this gonna cut anything? And then look, those are the blades. They're keeping us safe. I love that. So just in case y'all think like, oh my God, I got ripped off. So I just replaced it. I cut my first one. Look at that. I wish you could feel it, babe. Feel how like tough and rough. It's never cut that thick.
Stitches.
It's never cut that thick. So I'm excited. So we're gonna go ahead.
So you don't have to use more anymore. You can just use regular default cut, right? Because right now you got it on more.
Yeah, I always have it. Oh yeah, I always just keep it on more.
Because the blades get so dull.
Yeah. So we kind of we've been doing the direct to film, but this is a part of the HTV process. You have to weed everything that you make, which thankfully this is just a very easy breezy. Which, what does it say? 518. What does 518 mean, babe?
It's our area code.
Our area code in Albany, New York. See?
The best area code in the country.
Quick and easy. It is quick, it is easy, but it does take a little bit of time. Easy breezy. So let's go to the heat press.
Let's go to the easy.
Subscribe. So Albany is a brand that we work with in New York, and he likes to get his merch to match his shoes. So he's like, hey Chelly, I'm getting these shoes. What can you get me to match these? Very neutral colors. I don't know what type of shoes these are, but they're very pretty. He's very fashionable, always wearing latest, greatest.
Yeah.
So, Charlie, what will match this? Here we go. What do y'all think? See that dark gray, that dark heather gray, and that yellow? So, HTV is 350 degrees at 30 seconds, a little bit different than our DTF. So in all, this process just takes a little longer.
Yes. I was being a shipper. What happened?
Oh, I like that yellow.
That's nice with that gray.
Like I said, if you need some HTV transfers, just let me know and I can hook you up. Just contact me at fcdvinylandapparel.com and we can go over options.
Or Instagram or email.
Yeah, Instagram, email, everywhere.
Yeah.
I am all, here we go. I am all over the place. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 518, Albany, New York. Look them up. Oh, it can be hot.
Are you ready to press again?
That's so funny. I'm used to DTF where you can't peel it hot. Why is this one a little? Usually white is smooth.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so here we go. HTV, Old Faithful.
Oh, faithful.
All right, so again, if you have any questions, if you do have some questions about DTF full color transfers, reference back to some of our videos we just put out, or you can contact me. And if you have any questions about the HTV or the needle replacements, anything like that, you can contact me too. I look like a monster with the green on me. All right, guys, that is the end of our video. Came out wonderful. I hope so. Albany likes it, and I hope he looks fresh to death in his kicks to match. If you have any questions, again, let us know, and stay tuned for more content. And to close this out, don't forget, motivational wall. Hit them up top. Hustle. It is a verb. The only controllable pillar of success. That is it. Speaks for itself. We are all out here hustling. Till next time. Bye.